Welcome back, friends. Previously, in chapter number 11, that is perimeter and area, we learned about the circumference of circle. Okay, circumference means what? It is the outer boundary of the circle. It is like a perimeter that we calculate in a square and rectangle. Okay, if we consider any shape and we are going to move on the outer boundary, if it is kind of shape of circle, then it is called the circumference. It is nothing but the perimeter. So what is the circumference? It is outer boundary of the circle. Clear? We learn the equation that is circumference of circle is 2 pi r, or you can say pi multiply d. Okay, we get the equation for that from examples also. So now today we will start about the area of circle. So what is area? Area means space occupied by the object. Okay, if you place any shape on one surface and whatever space is occupied by that object on the surface, that becomes area. Okay, for example, if I place water bottle on this table, so the place occupied by that bottle will be its area. The flat surface that occupied by the bottle, that becomes its area. So how we will get the equation to find the area of circle? So if we already learned in the previous standard that to find the area we can find the number of square that is of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and we calculate how many squares occupied by that object, and then we find the area. Okay, you already learned in the previous standard that if we have a rectangle like this, and if we place rectangle in a sheet that is of 1 by 1 centimeter. So what will be its area? We need to find number of squares. So here what will be the area of this rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So area will be 12 centimeters square. If one box is of 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter. So area of one box is 1 centimeter square. So area of 12 box will be 12 centimeters square. Same we also find the area of a circle. So if you place this circle in a sheet that is of 1 by 1 square, so to find the area we can find the number of whole square, number of half square, and number of square that are less than half square. Okay, using that we can find the area of circle. But what will be the equation for an area of a circle? Here we can find the number of squares of 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. So from that we can get the area of this circle. But every time it is not possible to place this object on a square sheet paper. So how can we find the area of equation to find the area of a circle? We have equation to find the area of a square. That is what? Side multiplies side. We have also equation to find the area of a rectangle. That is what? Length multiply breadth. Also we learned in a previous video about the area of a parallelogram. That is height multiply base, and area of a triangle is 1 by 2 height multiply base. So now we will get the equation to find the area of a circle. So let's take one circle and divide it into 8 equal parts. You can also take the smaller part also. Okay, instead of 8 you can take 16 parts, you can take 32 parts. Okay, so if you divide this circle, here I am dividing this circle into 8 equal parts. Now these are the upper part, so I place it here, and lower part I place it here. If we combine all these parts, if we take this full circle and find the area, and if we find the area of this smaller triangular shape, it is kind of triangular shape, and if we find the area of this triangular shape, that will be same, because if you take any object and if you cut it, area will remain same. So that's why area of this whole circle and area of this parts, if you add area of this parts, will remain same. Now arrange this parts in this way. So now can you see any shape that we already learned? Yes, it is kind of parallelogram. You can see we get the shape like parallelogram. So area of this circle and area of this parallelogram will be same, because you can see here we have how many parts? 8 parts. Now here we have 4. So this part and this part are same, means area are same. So area of this circle and area of this parallelogram will be same. So we can write area of parallelogram is equal to area of circle. Now what is the equation for an area of parallelogram? We already learned that is height into base. So we can write area of a circle, that is what? Area of parallelogram, height multiply base. Now for this, what will be its height? This will be its height. Now for this, it is this length. For this, it is also this length. Now, if you consider this shape, then this is what in a circle? This is a radius. Yes or no? So this vertical height in a parallelogram is nothing but the radius of a circle. Okay, if you take any piece, then it is the height of this piece will be the radius of the circle. So we can write it is radius r. Now what is the base? Base means this length. Okay, so how many shapes we have? You can see we arrange this 4 shape in a horizontal. So to get this length, we need to find this length. It means we need to find this length, because remaining 4 shape we arrange like this. So if we get length from this point to this point, we get this length also. Okay. So what is this length? It is nothing but the circumference of a semicircle. Now what is the circumference of whole circle? That is 2 pi r. So circumference of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r. So base will be 1 by 2 circumference of semicircle. So that is what? R multiply 1 by 2. Circumference of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi. So we can cancel out this. Now r 2 times, so equation will be pi r square. So what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. Clear? So this way we get the equation to find the area of a circle. How we get the equation? Take one circle, divide it into equal parts. Now arrange these parts in this way, so we get kind of parallelogram, or you can see if you divide it in further, then you can get the kind of rectangle. So what is the area of parallelogram? That is height into base, and this is nothing but parallelogram and area of a circle will remain same. That's why area of a circle is also height into base. Now height is what? That is a vertical distance, that is nothing but the radius for a circle, and base is circumference of semicircle. So that is 1 by 2 pi. To cancel, we have 2 times r, so we can write pi r square. So area of a circle is pi r square. Now let's solve some example related to area of a circle. So here example 17, that is given in your textbook. So remember what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. So here first is find the area of a circle of radius 30 cm. So radius is given. Now equation is what? Area of a circle is pi r square. So we needed one value only, that is the radius. Value of pi you can take 3.40 or 22 by 7. So r is what? 30 centimeters. So we can find the area. This pi r square. Pi is 3.40. Radius is 30. So square is given. It means multiply 30 2 times. Square means what? Multiply 30 2 times. Now 3.14 is what? We can write like this. Multiply 30 multiply 30. 1 0 will be cancelled out. So 3.14 is multiplied with 9. So it is 2826 centimeters. So that is area of. Clear? Now next one. Example 18. The adjoint figure shows two circle with the same center of a radius of larger circle is 10 centimeter and smaller circle is of 4 centimeter. So this figure is given. Here we have two circle. One circle that is of radius 4 centimeter and larger circle that is of radius 10 centimeter. So here find the area of larger circle. So what is the area of larger circle? If radius is given, then we can find the area of larger circle. So first, area of larger circle is pi r square. Pi is 3.14. Radius is given 10. So 10 multiplied 10. 3.40 is 314 divided by 100. So it is 314 centimeters. Now area of a smaller circle. So we can find the area of a smaller circle. That is what? Pi r square. Now for smaller circle radius is 4 centimeters. So it is 3.40 multiply 4 multiply 4. So 4 4s are 16 multiplied with 3.40. So that is what? 50.24 centimeters. Now area of shaded area. Now you can see these are the shaded area. So how can we get this area? If we subtract this area from whole area. From the larger area, if we cut this area, then we get this part only. So we need to subtract area of smaller circle from area of larger circle. So you can find area of shaded portion, that is 314 minus 50.20. So let's subtract this one. 50.24. 6, 7, 3, 263.76 centimeters. So that is area of shaded part. Now let's take the next example. Diameter of circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. So here diameter is given. So that is the 9.8 meter. Now what is the area of circle? That is pi r square. It means we need a radius. So from diameter we get the radius. So radius is equal to 9.8 by 2 meter. So that is 4.9. Now area of circle, that is pi r square. Now here you can see we have a 4.9. So if value of pi is not given, then you can take 3.14 or 22 by 7. But it is possible to cut 4.9 by 7. So it is better to take 22 by 7. Radius is r square, that is 4.9. Let's multiply 4.9 two times. So here 0.7. Now multiply 22 with 4.9 and 7. One 1078 is multiplied with 7. So it is 75.46 centimeter square. That is what? Area of circle. Now let's start exercise exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. So we already learned in the previous video what is the equation for a circumference of circle, that is 2 pi. So if the radius is given, then we will use 2 pi r, and if diameter is given, then we will use pi multiply d. So let's start with the first. Here radius is 14 centimeter. So circumference of circle, that is what? 2 pi. Now value of pi, here we need to take 22 by 7. If this is not given, then from radius you can assume what will be the value of pi. Here you can also take 3.40, but it is better to cancel out radius 14 with 7. So we will take 22 by 7. That is 88 centimeter. Next, 28 mm. So again we can write circumference of circle. That is 2 pi r. Pi is 22 by 7. Here radius is 28. 4, so it is 176 mm. Okay. Now next one. Third, radius is 21 centimeter. So equation is same. Circumference of circle, that is 2 pi. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 21. 132 centimeter. Okay, unit for a circumference is mm centimeter. Now next one, find the area of a circle. So what is the equation for area of circle? That is pi r square. So radius is given, we can find the area. So area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi we need to take 22 by 7. Now here r square means multiply this 14 mm 2 times. So multiply 28 with 22. So that is 616 mm square. Okay, now next one, diameter is 49. So here we can write 14. So what will be the radius? 49 by 2. Why? Because in equation we need to use radius. So from diameter we get radius 49 by 2. So area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is r square, means 49 by 2 times. Multiply and divide it with, multiply 11 with 7, that is 77. 77 multiply 49. Divide by 2, you will get 1886.5 centimeter. Okay, next one. So next one, radius is 5 centimeter. So we can write area of a circle, that is pi r square. Here we need to take pi 22 by 7. You can also take 3.14. Now multiply 22 with 5, that is 110. 110 multiply with 5 is 510. Divide by 7 centimeter square. If you multiply 22 with 5 and 5, you will get 550. So that is 550 centimeter square. That is area of circle. Now next question number 3. If the circumference of circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. In a question it is written that circumference of circle is 154 meter, find its radius. Means radius is not given. So we can use circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. Circumference is given 154. 2. We can take pi 22 by 7 and radius that we need to find. Now 7 that is in a divide become multiplication and 22 and 2 become division because we need to find unknown value r. So 154 multiply 7 divide 2 multiply radius will be, if you cut the common factor, you will get 24.5 centimeter. Okay. Now area of the circle, that is what? Pi r square. So pi we can take 22/7. Here radius is 24.5. So multiply 24.5 2 times. If you multiply this, you will get 1886.5 centimeter square. So this is area of circle, because in a question it is written that also find the area. Now question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden with diameter 21 meters. Fencing means what? It is covering the outer boundary. Okay. So covering outer boundary means it is a circumference of circle. Fencing means it is the outer boundary. If we take this circle, then getting a border of this, it is about the fencing. Okay. So here diameter is given 21 meters. So from that we can find the radius. Find the length of rope is needed to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it cost is 4 rupees per meter. Fencing means it is a circumference. So first of all we will find the circumference of circle. So here diameter is given 21 meter. So radius is what? 21/2 meter. Divide diameter by 2. Now circumference of circle, that is 2 pi. So 2 pi is 22/7. Radius is 21/. So here we can cancel out this. So it is 66 meter. Circumference is what? 66 meter. Means we need to cover 66 meter. Now here it is, he made 2 rounds of fencing. So this is the length where he made 1 round from this point and cover this border and come back to that point. But here he makes 2 rounds. Means we need to consider 2 times length. So length of rope required for 2 round is equal to 2 multiply 66, that is 132 meter. Okay. Now next is written, if the cost of 4 rupees per meter, cost for 1 meter is 4 rupees and we need to purchase 132 meter. So we can write cost of 1 meter is 4 rupees. So cost of 132 meter is 132 multiply 4, that is 8 rupees 528 to purchase length of 132 meter rope, which is cost 1 for 1 meter is 4 rupees. Clear? Now next one. From the circular sheet of radius 4 cm, circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. So one circular sheet is given. Let's take this is a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. From this circle we removed circle of 3 cm. So we removed this circle which has radius 3 cm. So what is the area of this one? So how can we get this area? If we find the area of this whole circle and remove the area of the smaller circle, then we get area of this part of the sheet. So first of all we will find the area of a larger circle, then area of a smaller circle, and if we subtract area of a smaller circle from larger one, so we get this area. Clear? So let's find area of larger circle, that is pi r square. Here I take capital R for a larger circle. Pi, that is we need to take 3.40. Radius for a larger circle is 4. So we multiply 4 2 times. If you multiply this, you will get 15.24 centimeters. Now area of smaller circle, that is pi r square. For a smaller circle, radius is 3, so multiply 3 two times. So if you multiply this, you will get 28.26 centimeter square. Now area of the remaining sheet, it means subtraction. Is equal to 50.24 minus 28.26. If you subtract this, you will get 21.98 centimeter square. Clear? Here some examples are given that you need to solve in homework. Find the area, find the radius, find the circumference, that you need to solve in